TST presents a VISI quick tip. Today we're going to focus in on VISI 2019 R1. As you can see, we can get to the launcher to get to either a license manager or migration tools. With our 2019 R1 and the SU1 service pack installed, we're going to use this to demonstrate a few things about the user interface. So first up is the ability to get to different graphical areas and settings through this icon in the left top corner of your graphic area. We have some shortcuts to top view, side, bottom, front, isometric, and some graphic area settings. And we can actually affect the layout. With this, we can take away or hide something that we don't want. We've taken away the facet mesh, and you can see it disappears from our selections here. Along with that, let's highlight some things in the settings. As with these new versions, we've got a few different command settings under the user interface that we can set. One, I want to focus in on our hide command buttons. So if we open up a command, we can see we get the command buttons that appear. We can actually hide those by activating this command settings button. With that activated, we can get in and out of a command, and those command buttons are not available. We can also showcase the automatic workplane orientation. For those of you who have been using VISI, you may or may not want this on. In the transform workplane, we're used to seeing our ability to rotate around X 90, Y 90, and around Z. If we have this automatic workplane orientation on, you can see when we go to our system transform, we get a dynamic slider. I can move and reposition the orientation based on different elements or points. Then I can use the shift to lock its location, and it doesn't jump around as far as orientation, holding the shift key. So there's different possibilities with that. If you do not like this functionality, you can bring it back to the way that a lot of us users who've been using the software for a while are used to. Also, to finish up our quick tip, we can showcase the themes. If you guys didn't know about these or overlooked them in some of the release notes, we have a classic dark, dark gray, gray, light, and a little bit bright one here is the white, maybe for a plot view. I like the gray personally. That'll conclude our quick tip for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 248-922-9293, or you can reach us by email at support@tst-software.com. Thank you.